Hey guys, this is Jacob here at MarineMax of Rogers. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new 2024 Premier 230 Intrigue. This is top of the line for the Premier pontoons. So this is the best you can get from their lineup. So let's get right to it. I'm going to show you right away stainless steel components to this guy. Got pop-up cleats here as well. Makes it nice and easy. For the colors of this one, we went with black, a little bit of tan here. You got the rails on the side here with a midnight black as well. Complements each other really nice. Really sleek look to this guy. Premier logo on the side here, showing off the PTX technology. That is going on with the Tri-Tune. So every Tri-Tune on a Premier has the PTX technology. Makes it really easy to maneuver on the water. Builds it really similar to how a boat is built compared to a pontoon. Super nice turns. Super cool on the water. You'll feel it when you're steering it, this guy. Vantage protection on the side of the pontoons here. So this is on each side. You'll see this black pattern throughout the side here. It's for protecting against any scratches, dirt and grime that can build up on these pontoons as well. Super good feature to have for long-term pontoon use. Coming even farther to the back here, we got the 300 horsepower Mercury outboard on this guy with a ski tow bar. So those combined make it really nice for any kind of tuber or skier experience on the water. Super great. Like I said, top of the line pontoon here, so you're going to get the best components on this. So if you follow me a little bit more to the back here, I'm going to show you a really cool feature that Premier does. It's called the ricochet ladder. So on those days where you are docked out for a little bit while and you start moving, sometimes you forget to put the ladder up. Well, this takes away that problem. Comes up right away as soon as you get in motion in the water, pops up just like it would be stored. Really cool, really nice, really easy. So that's it for the exterior. I'm going to show you more on the interior. All right, welcome to the interior of this 2024 Intrigue. Right away, I'm going to show you the changing station in the back here. Really nice, convenient. This guy here flips up, gives you that changing station that folds all the way down. Really nice and spacious for whatever you want to use that for on the water. Got to change to the swim trunks or any swimsuit. Folds just back down here. The rest of the upholstery here is upgraded upholstery. It's a different feel to it. It's the highest tier of upholstery you can possibly get on a pontoon. Really soft, really comfortable out on the water. Come up with me a little bit farther here. You're going to see the dual helm seating up here. So obviously 2 chairs here. You're going to see one for your partner, and then the one you see at the captain's area has a movable bolster seating here. So if you want to sit up a little bit higher, you have that option here. It is already a raised helm, so it is pretty high as well, so it gives you even higher seating. And as I sit here, really comfortable seating again. Right away, you're going to see a digital throttle on the right side here. Super smooth on the water when shifting. Also at the helm, 12-inch Simrad display, huge Simrad display for your navigation, any statistics you got to see on the water, depth, etc. Wireless charging here for your phone too. Nice place to set it, locks right in there. And at the right side here, kind of a cool feature that Premier does. It has a cooled cup holder, so if you just set your cup holder there, or you set your cup in there, press the button, keeps it nice and cool all day on the water. Really cool. And you got a few push buttons on the steering wheel itself, so the wheel will move. These will stay in place. It makes it easier to access them as well. All right, so moving from the helm up to the bow of the boat here, you'll see more of that upholstery. Really spacious bow here, super nice. Under each of the seats, storage on hinges. Really nice for throwing anything you got, life jackets, etc. More cup holders here in the bow as well. Makes it really nice for anything you want to bring on the water, anything you're going to do up in the front here. With the Tri-Tune, you also get storage here. Really making the most out of that. This whole tube here can be used. Right now we have the cover inside. Locks down like so. Speaker system throughout this. If you look closely on the bottom here, you've got JL audio here. Best quality you can get in a boat. Next to that, you're going to see a spot for your phone. In those spots throughout the boats, it's going to be wireless charging when you put them in there. So not only is it storage, charges your phone while you're on the water. Really cool. Guys, this is the 2024 Intrigue here at MarineMax Rogers. Feel free to stop right in, make an appointment. We'd love to show you the boat. As always, feel free to like and subscribe on this video. We're putting out videos every day. Thanks.